It's really nice. It looks like it's red. It's got a lot of colors going in there.
Looks like the clouds on fire underneath. Oh, it's going to be a gorgeous day. I mean, we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. And if you're a fan of that fall feel, yes, today is your day. However, we're going to be tackling the breeze, and we're also going to be watching for some spotty lake effect showers. So maybe if you want to tackle some yard work, your rake forecast not looking good today because of the winds. We'll have wind gusts upwards of 20 to 30 throughout the day. There's a slight chance of a stray lake effect shower in the area. As we head into tomorrow, it'll still be breezy, but the ground drier and no rain. Monday, I think, is going to be your pick day to do some yard work. Yesterday, we managed to reach 62 degrees. However, that was very early in the morning. Temperatures normally should be right around 63. Sunrise this morning is at 7:42, which is just about 5 minutes ago, and sunset is at 6:43. We picked up just over 1/4 of an inch yesterday in Cleveland, over 3/10 of an inch in the Akron-Canton area, and almost 2/10 of an inch in the Mansfield area. As far as rain goes today, again, spotty lake shower, can't rule it out, mainly in our lake effect and northeastern communities. But we have a nice dry stretch ahead of us. It's not until Wednesday night where we'll start to see some showers move in. That's ahead of our next cold front, which is going to bring colder temperatures back to our area. And it's also going to set the stage for some more lake effect showers. Notice that it's in the isolated category as we head towards the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend. So here's a look at Storm Fox right now. We do have one lake effect streamer that's in portions of northeastern Lorain County over into western Cuyahoga, stripping down towards southern Cuyahoga and into portions of Summit. So zooming in closer, we've got rain in North Olmsted right now. Same with Berea, Strongsville. You're right on the edge of that. Some showers in and around Broadview Heights, Sagamore Hills, Hudson, down towards Cuyahoga Falls. You've got some stray sprinkles and showers around you. That's it. That's the only game in town. Much of the lake effect showers off to the north and east of us. So this should fizzle out here shortly. But then as we head towards our lunch hour, 1, 2 o'clock, there you go. There's a chance of these stray lake effect showers. More so clouds mixing in with the sunshine. So I'm going with a partly sunny sky today. This evening, it'll be out towards the lake and Ashtabula County. Far away from the lake, far away from our northeastern community. So our southern and southwestern areas will likely have a dry day, and you'll see more sunshine. Sunshine galore here on Monday. Gorgeous, gorgeous day ahead of us. Our lake effect stays out of the area, and the same deal here as we head into Tuesday. So nice string of weather. However, it has gotten colder. Temperatures 8 degrees colder than this time yesterday, putting us at 50. Look to the west of us, though, 37 in Cedar Rapids. Good news is it's not going to last too long. We've got a ridge building in, so I've got 70s in the 8-day forecast. But after that, cold front swings in towards the end of the week, and we've got colder air drifting back into our area. That 50s seem common towards the end of the week. And I'll show you that coming up on your 8-day forecast here. 60 today, right around 60 tomorrow. Here's that ridge, that warm up with lots of sunshine. Then we've got the showers on. All right, let's take a look at your flats camera. We had a gorgeous sunrise this morning. It shadowed off of these clouds, and as you can see, we're seeing breaks of blue in here. The cloud cover that you see, lake effect, and it's because winds generally out of the northwest. We'll get more of a westerly flow as we go through the day today. That's going to shut down our lake effect showers, and it also get rid of some of these clouds. Most areas will have a partly sunny sky through the afternoon. Temperatures, though, below average. We are headed into the upper 50s for much of the day. I'm going with a forecast high, though, of 60. It is windy. You probably noticed it at the lakefront. Our wind speed at 25. So it's windy near the lake. You go inland, starting to lighten up a bit, but we'll have wind gusts upwards of 20 to 30 throughout the day today with sustained winds, generally right around 10 to 15. So it's going to be a breezy day today, even into tomorrow. So with winds out of the northwest, we do have some spotty lake effect showers, now more so in southern Cuyahoga County, extending down into northern Summit County. Most locations, though, this morning dry. Much of the lake effect out east here, out in portions of New York, Pennsylvania, coming in off of Lake Huron as well as Lake Ontario. So our lake effect showers, again, far in between, just spotty, and you can see it here on Futurecast. As we go through the morning, we get rid of that one streamer. Then as we head into the afternoon, between 11 and 2 p.m., there's the chance of a spotty lake effect shower. We will have lake effect clouds throughout the day, mixed in with sunshine. That's the key word. We will have some sun and it will be breezy. Then as we head into the evening hours, if you're in Lake Ashtabula, Geauga County, I can't rule out that stray shower. Maybe if you're thinking about having a bonfire, it's not a good night to do that because unfortunately it'll still be breezy. The good news is though, as we get into your day tomorrow, we've got lots and lots of sunshine and we stay clear throughout Monday night into the first part of your Tuesday. It's not until late in the day we'll have some high clouds start to stream in. So we're not tracking any rain over the next 2 days following today's lake effect. Looking ahead here, we've got temperatures on the chilly side, 48 in Cleveland, Akron, Canton, but how would you like to be Cincinnati? Sitting at 39. The averages, let's see if we can get that to pop up, our normal rather be 62 degrees. So we're a touch below normal, 60, sun and clouds, breezy, spot lake shower, gusts up to around 25. So between 20 and 30 is where we'll be gusting. 46 tonight. It will be a chilly night tonight. If you haven't turned on your heat, yeah, you might want to do so. Definitely a chill in the air. 61, lots of sunshine tomorrow. We've got a gorgeous string of weather ahead of us Tuesday into Wednesday. Great leaf peeping days. Take advantage of headed out on our many Metro Park trails. Temperatures in the lower 70 cups.
Okay.
Need them.
So coffee costs more. We apparently were drinking way too much. A lot of bad news. I did not see some good news here. The mix in the 8-day anymore.
Right.
You noticed
the mix,
that.
The mix vanished.
See, I was, yesterday I was going back and forth because, you know, it was the last day of the 8-day. It always fluctuates and changes, and as fingers crossed, you know, it changed.
Yes. Right.
So the thing what happened was that the trough that's pushing in, the closed low is moving more to the north of us.
Okay.
So keeping the cold air to the north. So yay.
Yes, very
Hopefully
much
that
so.
doesn't change back.
Oh,
but
yeah,
it was
that's
one
true.
little model. Andre picked up on it too the night before. So we wanted to mention it.
I appreciate it.
Could possibly happen. Yeah. So
Thank you for the heads up.
you know what? Yeah, we'll have more on like the frost and freeze and snow figures in just a second. But hey, we've got your dog pound forecast. Meet Roscoe. Roscoe in the Fox 8 dog pound this morning. We've got tail wagging weather through much of the day today. Yes, it's a little bit cooler, but we're right around average. Average highs in the low 60s. We'll be in the upper 50s through much of the afternoon. The reason why I have a so-so paw here, temperatures in the upper 40s, mid and upper 40s right now. So a little chill in the air. Headed tailgating. I know we've got some extra time before kickoff at 4:05. We got temperature 58 degrees, 11 a.m. It will be rather windy at the Muni lot and near the lake shore. Will be gusting to around 25 and 30 throughout the day. Temperature right around 60. And we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. Right now, more cloud cover than sunshine. But as the lake effect winds down, things will be looking brighter. Saturday, we hit 62 degrees at 1 a.m. So much of your day, it was a lot cooler than that. Our average high, 63. We picked up almost 3/10 of an inch of rain, over 3/10 in the Akron Canton area, and almost 2/10 in Mansfield. After today, with a stray, spotty lake effect shower, we have no rain chance here until we hit Wednesday night. That's when a cold front moves in, and that's going to bring the cooler temperatures back to our area and also bring in the risk for more lake effect showers. So roller coaster temperatures this week. Here's what's going on Storm Fox. We've got some stray light showers here in and around Berea down towards Parma. As you head over towards, let's say, Broadview Heights, in between Broadview Heights and Sagamore Hills, and then just to the west of Hudson, a stray sprinkle. Most areas, though, starting off dry but chilly, and a lot of lake effect activity more so to the east of us. But as we head into the afternoon, I can't rule out a passing shower or two between 11 and 2 p.m. Then out east during the evening hours. If you're in in our northeastern quadrants, you know where you are, lake effect communities, you'll likely have more cloud cover than sunshine, whereas well away from that, southern and western areas, you'll see more sunshine than cloud cover. But everybody seeing lots and lots of sunshine through the day tomorrow, and then to kick off your day on Tuesday as well. So our temperature is cooling off for sure. We're at about 10 degrees below where we were this time yesterday, sitting at 48 degrees, but it could be worse. Mid-30s showing up in Cedar Rapids. Here's that trough that I was talking about. This is why we're cooler, but look at this. We get this ridge building in middle of the week. We've got some fantastic temps on track for us. And then the upcoming weekend, the trough swings back in. That closed low, though, to the north. That's the change. That's why I changed the forecast up a bit, but it's still rather chilly. Our temperatures will be back into the low 50s. So your fall averages, our average first frost October 14th, average first freeze October 29th, and our average first snow here in Cleveland.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the pride of St. Joseph Academy, Jasmine Bailey. And the second, the lovely Chardon native, Jenn Harcher.
Nice.
So they have local ties, so these are questions that should be very easy to get.
Sure.
Very easy to get. All right, first question.
And oldest player.
I mean,
right now?
Isn't
That's
Miles
on the roster right now.
Isn't Miles 25? Like,
Yeah, he's 25.
is there someone younger?
There-
There could be. I don't know. What do you think? What's your answer? 10
Ready
seconds.
for your youngest. I'm going with Chubb
Oh, there we go.
for the youngest.
Wrong! Both of you, wrong!
Hold on.
And then
Okay,
oldest?
think who
The
else?
youngest?
Not.
Okay, I'll give you another shot here. Who's the oldest
Who's
on the
the
menu? Who's the
oldest?
oldest? Who's the oldest? 10 seconds. No.
This is bad.
Yeah, this is bad.
Like,
What
I'm
it-
trying to. Odell Beckham.
There we go.
Wrong!
I think you just like saying that.
Hold
Okay.
on, hold on. See
All right,
now,
I have
if
to
we
put on
had
my game show guys. Okay, the youngest player is Anthony Schwartz.
Okay.
He turned 21 last month.
Whoa.
So he's very young.
Okay.
The oldest is quarterback Case Keenum. He's 33 and will turn 34 in February.
Keenum.
All right, ladies. You get a chance to name one.
Kareem Hunt.
That is correct.
you
Yay!
beat me.
That is correct. That is correct. So we got 1 for 1. Just a real quick. Troy Hills from Youngstown, Denzel Ward, Kareem Hunt, as you mentioned, James Hudson, and a dude from Centerville. I'm not going to mispronounce his name, but let's just say he's fantastic.
True.
Wrong!
Like saying this word. What?
Oh, my husband's
Wait.
gonna kill me.
Longest. Wait. Repeat that.
The longest field goal. Okay, I'll give you Bengals.
I was
Okay.
3 at that point.
Okay.
So
Okay, so
right?
that doesn't count. That doesn't count. All right.
I won't even talk about it.
We're not doing so great here.
I was like,
All right.
wait.
Well, now this is one son.
is Chubb?
No, to help out, we're going to have a photo to show, just make a guess.
Golden Retriever.
That's what I was gonna say. Retriever. That's.
And the answer is, well, I have to redefine the answer here.
Oh.
Wrong! Yellow
A
lab.
yellow
It's
lab.
a yellow lab.
It's a yellow lab. Chomps is a yellow lab. Mrs.
Okay.
I
Chomps
would've
knows that he's a yellow lab. Game day.
Brats.
Brats, Jasmine, you got an answer? Got a guess?
I'll go with nachos.
Wrong!
Hot dogs? Burgers.
No, the according food is the Polish boy.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! Are you kidding?
It is a great kielbasa sandwich
Yes.
with French fries, sauce,
I
and
should've said
coleslaw.
that.
Come on.
That's like,
I should have got
hello,
the brats.
Cleveland.
Come on.
But kielbasa is not
That
it's
should've been-
kielbasa is not a brat. It's
that-
its own special,
very
wonderful
close.
thing.
Yeah, no. 'cause
Yeah.
It's its
Polish
own
boys
special,
like
wonderful thing.
the coleslaw and the French fries on top.
All right. Well, I am shocked. Not shocked. I'm
Well,
beyond
look,
shocked.
we
I am
know.
shocked.
We
We got one. We
Yeah.
got one.
One.
I mean,
We got one.
I mean, we both knew Denzel Ward, Kareem Hunt. We knew.
Well, we knew.
so-
We knew.
Producers in our
We
ear.
knew.
I
knew.
thought it was easier.
All right. All right. Well, he thought it was easier, but Tiny B, look,
sorry.
he's shaking his
Maybe
head
we
at you
just
guys.
need to, like, brush
He's
up.
not happy. He's not
to
happy
be
at
fair, I was not born during one of those eras that we mentioned.
all.
in the
All right.
question.
Excuses. All right. We got another hour. We'll be right back.
Focus on quarterback questions for us. Focus on coach questions.
There we go.
Focus. lake effect clouds. There's a chance of a couple of lake effect showers and sprinkles as we head through your hour now through around 2 o'clock this afternoon. And I think the threat will be over, but it's about a 20% chance. You can see though the sky looking ominous at times, but then you're seeing some blue behind it as well. I do expect sunshine mixing in, especially if you are west. You'll have more sunshine compared to our east siders and near the lake. Of course, lake effect. Looking ahead here, our temperatures though, everybody staying mainly in the upper 50s through much of the afternoon. Now our high, I'm going with 60, but here's a look at your wind speed. It's breezy. We've got winds out of the southwest right now between 10 to upwards of 15 sustained, and that's where they're going to be throughout the day today. Now it's our wind gusts between 20 and 30. It's going to keep the windy in the forecast. All right, here's a look at your storm fox right now, and the streamer continues to shrink. So down to some lone sprinkles in northern Summit County, just north of Hudson there, and that's about it. Other than that, it's cloud cover with that, but much of the lake effect activity over in New York streaming in off of Lake Erie and also Ontario. So looking ahead here, we do have some cloud cover around because of lake effect. But as we go through the day, there will be breaks of sun from time to time. And again, there's that chance of a stray passing lake effect shower. After that, evening hours only, Lake Geauga, Ashtabula County. You'll notice though, we'll clear out the Buckeye State tonight. That means it's going to be a chilly night, and we'll see lots of sunshine throughout the day tomorrow. Tomorrow it's looking at like a gorgeous day, and temperatures will be right around our average. Tuesday, we start to warm things up. We'll start off the day with lots of sunshine. We'll end the day with some high clouds streaming through. All right, so here's our temperature. It's 48 right now, 49 Akron, Canton, mid 40s still in the Mansfield area, which is typical for this time of year. Average low, mid 40s. Average high though, 63, and will be a touch below that. Sunset this evening is at 6:43. 60 degrees today, sun cloud combination, breezy throughout the day. And again, that spot shower, can't rule it out. Few clouds tonight, 46. Otherwise, we'll return to lots and lots of sunshine tomorrow. Still breezy though, a northwest wind at 10, gusting to 25 at times. Now, we switch it up. Roller coaster temps this week. Tuesday into Wednesday, we're back into the lower 70s. Lots of sunshine still. By Thursday, I'm with the cooler air moving in over the warmer lake.
46, 47.
Yeah.
Wow.
Typical this time of year though. That's the average low.
Take a look at our forecast out there, and hopefully it's cool enough that it'll throw the folks in Arizona off today when they play at the stadium.
There we go.
Different feel for sure. I mean, we've had a lot of games. The past home games were right around 80 degrees, and today our temperature is going to be right around 60, which is where we should be this time of year. A typical football weather feel, and we've got a fall sky on tap for us as well. However, there is a chance of a stray shower, keeping a bubble over First Energy Stadium. Don't worry, it's not going to rain there. I think that the likelihood of a passing lake effect shower will be more inland. So let's talk about your dog pound forecast. Look at these guys all decked out in the Browns gear. Sorry, Jennifer, you're missing one of your pups in the dog pound. I couldn't fit them in, but let me tell you, cute pups there. All right, so the reason why I've got a yellow paw so this morning, because we've got temperatures right now in the upper 40s. Bit of a shock to the system because we've been so mild this October, but normally it would be a green paw with tail wagging weather because not a lot going on. Upper 50s here this afternoon, this evening. We're back into the mid 50s. Headed tailgating. We've got time because you know our kickoff is at 4:05. So before that, by 1 o'clock, we'll be in the mid to upper 50s and mix of sun and clouds at that point. And that kickoff, we'll have sunshine. And of course, it's going to be windy throughout the day today. So your raking forecast, if you want to get some yard work done before the Browns game, not the best. You're going to be fighting the winds today. We'll be gusting to around 20 to 30. It'll still be breezy tomorrow, but we are rain free, the ground drier. Monday will be the pick day. I know my neighbor will be out at 7:45 right on the dot Monday morning. 62 degrees on Saturday, normal high 63. And that 62, by the way, was at 1 a.m. in the morning. We picked up about 3/10 of an inch here in Cleveland, just over that Akron, Canton, and almost 2/10 in the Mansfield area. So I can't rule out that spotty lake shower today, but that's the key word, spotty, stray. We are likely staying dry here until Wednesday night. That's when a cold front starts to move in. Thursday is going to be the best chance of rain this week. Scattered showers with that front. And because it's going to draw in cooler air behind it, we'll have more of this kind of pattern where we've got lake effect clouds coming in and the chance for some lake effect showers. So about a 20% chance towards the end of the week. I'll show you just how cool we get with that. But in the meantime, here's those lake effect showers. I think the best chance for them will occur between now and around 2 o'clock this afternoon. If you're outside of our lake effect communities, you'll see more and more sunshine as we head through the afternoon. I mean, a lot of areas are seeing sunshine to the south. And then as we head through the day on Monday, sunshine galore, looking fantastic. Tuesday looking good as well, warmer because we're looking at about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than this time yesterday, but we've got temperatures starting to get warmer out to the west of us. I know you're looking at Cedar Rapids like, come on, they were colder yesterday, 39 degrees for them. But this trough is moving on out. Following that, a ridge moving in. I've got 70s on tap for us with that, but another swing roller coaster going down here. We've got to look at some cooler temps back next weekend, but then the ridge follows it. So up and down, up and down. Typical for October, though. Low.
See football, they just call it Saturday night. That's the,
Sure,
that is like
trash
the,
our football field.
that is just the toughest league too. So that's just Saturday in SEC football.
You do bring up a good point. What is with the golf ball?
Why would you bring a golf ball?
Why do you have
SEC.
that?
SEC,
Oh,
there
wait,
you go,
hold
that's
on.
right, SEC.
No, guys, beer pong.
There you go.
There
Come
for
on,
later.
though. That's a ping pong.
Is that what's?
They use a beer?
Right?
Yeah, it's usually a ping pong ball.
It's
Not
not a
that I
golf
would
ball.
know.
I don't
anything
know.
about.
I'm like, wait a minute. What could they
Well-
possibly been using that for? Maybe, you know.
Yeah,
Lots
just
of-
jokes.
Showers on Thursday. Now I'm
All right.
trying to think here.
All right, Tiny B, take us home.
Yeah.
Bring back a victory.
Go
Yes.
Browns.
We'll
Go
see you.
Browns.